How to get my WhatsApp link. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get your WhatsApp link. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So getting the link is really simple. It's the same process for both iPhone users and Android users. So all you need to do is open up your WhatsApp. Actually, you don't even need to open up your WhatsApp. So if you want your link, there is a really simple way you can actually generate the link. You can also use the QR code that's on your settings section, but if you want the link, it's really simple. There is a format. Just simply open up the text box where you want to send that link to, and after you find that text box area, simply type in wa.me/. Now use your country code. Do not forget to use your country code. Type in plus, use your country code, and just add in your phone number. Just type your phone number in here and then tap on send. Now I'll just do this for now, but this is the basic format. Just type in your country code and then your number and then share it. After you do that, your profile link will get sent and the person that clicks on this link will be able to add you as their contact. And that is how you get your WhatsApp link, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.